ma'am. Welcome to our project. So today, I wanted to begin with a short moment that many of us have experienced after a heavy rainfall. Last year, the road outside my house had turned into a small river. Cars were stuck, people were jumping between puddles. And then my little brother asked me, "Bro, if it rains so much, then why don't we have enough water to drink in summer?" I didn't have an answer, but that simple question stayed with me because it represents exactly what India is facing today. Water everywhere during rains and water nowhere when we actually need it. But our project, Sustainable Pavement, is a special type of pavement designed to absorb water instead of blocking it. If you use this in our country, it can reduce flooding up to 70%. And if you are wondering where we will use such pavements, you can think of garden pathways, jogging tracks, and so on. And according to Niti Aayog, 21 major cities may run out of groundwater and 600 million Indian people face water stress. So now I request my friend Yash to explain further.
Current urban situation is more than 40% of urban land is covered with impermeable surfaces. These surfaces acts like plastic sheets. So during rain, road floods, drains overflow, traffic stops, waterlogging damages property, and underground, the groundwater stays empty. This contradiction, flooding above, drought below, is the problem our project addresses.
Why doesn't the water go in normal roads? Because normal roads are made of tightly packed particles. There are no gaps, no paths, no pores for the water to go in. So the rain we desperately need simply runs off.
Whatever water percolates help increasing groundwater level, and in urban areas, we can store the water in underground tankers and use it in our future crisis. Let me show you example how does it works. When the water is rained, when it rains and when the water is poured on the surface of this model, the water goes under the ground and it stores in the tank.
And in rural areas, it can help to recharge groundwater levels, and in urban areas, we can install large tanks to use in future crisis. Thank you.